guys, Anirban here, and today we have AD Musics with us, aka Anubhav Dey. And today we are going to talk about some problems that teenagers face in their lives and which they can't discuss with people. So, guys, please welcome Anubhav
Okay, thank you Anirban for inviting me in your show. And today, what we are going to do, it's something important. I think most important we feel to discuss because already you told that only teenagers can understand the teenagers' feelings and all. So yeah, let's start. It would be an interesting one, I guess.
Yes. So let's jump on to the first question directly without not wasting much of time.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
So the first question is, how can we concentrate at one thing at a time?
Okay, so see, concentration for me, it's generally you have to love the work or something which you are doing, you have to love that. And obviously, concentration is directly related to meditation as well. So
Yes.
you must practice good amount of meditation in your life. It would really help you a lot, and I felt the change. Even I guess Anirban, you too.
Yeah. Yeah,
So
that's true. But I think for concentrating in a work, you first need to love that work, and for loving that work,
exactly,
you should have a very good reason to do that work, a very strong reason to do that work.
exactly.
Yeah, because without a reason, you can't love a work. So you need to love that work and have a reason for doing that work. That you are doing this because you would get to a point where is your goal is.
So my question would be like how to overcome anxiety. It's one of the major problems we see in many teenagers. So just give some solutions on that.
Okay, so I think here also meditation helps a lot. And moreover, when does anxiety come? Anxiety come when you compare yourself with others. Like if you are doing a work and your friend is also doing that work and he is better than you at that one work, then the thing will anxiety will come to you. You'll think that he is doing better and I can't do. Just don't think about others. Think about yourself, what you are doing, and be confident at what you are doing. Try to improve yourself instead of thinking about others, what others are doing, and everything like that.
True. And also, Anirban, I also think that you must overcome insecurities from yourself or from inner you. That yeah, I can't do, and all these things. These all also creates an aura of anxiety and all.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
feel
yeah.
bad.
This is also there. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yes. Yes. The next question comes is how to find the passion at this age.
Okay, so for me, I guess parents play a major role in finding or helping you find your right passion or whatever like you are doing right now. See, majorly you can find that previously when we were kids, so our parents helped a lot and they experimented a lot with us. They made us join many classes like dance classes, drawing classes, even music classes as well, anything.
Yes. Yes.
Also nowadays taekwondo and all these things are very much
Yes.
familiar with very every kids. So
Yes.
I think passion comes like that, and if you are still not having any passion or you haven't got anything, so you must experiment with your life, like
Yeah, I
whatever
think
you
this
find.
is the most important.
Exactly,
If you haven't found out your passion, try on experimenting new things. What's the harm in
exactly.
experimenting? After all, you are learning some new things,
Yeah,
and basically what your passion is, that something you can do 24/7. You won't get tired of doing it.
obviously.
So that's what your passion is.
Very true.
Yeah.
Okay, so my next question would be how to remove confusions in life while choosing different path or important
Okay.
paths in your life.
Okay. So this is a thing that we face at class 10th also. Like from 10th to 11th, what should we choose? We choose science or
Yeah.
commerce or arts or humanities. But the thing lies is we go tend to do what our parents tell us to do. or after 12th also we face this, like which stream should we choose, where should we go. So if you are too much confused about this, sit and
Yeah.
talk with your parents what they want, what your parents want, and like why do they want, ask them the reason that if you are telling me to do engineering, why do you think that engineering is better for me. And
Very true.
then think, also think about your point of view, what do you want in life.
Very true.
take
Very true.
take both the opinions from your point of view also, your parents point of view also, and understand that what you should do in your life, then only take a decision. And the main thing lies is, when you have chosen something, never look back. Like if you are facing some problem in your life, never look back that I chose this life, that's why I am facing this problem. This is not true. I think you should
Exactly.
not never
You must be
regret
determined.
anything. Yeah,
Exactly.
you
You
should
must be
not
determined.
regret anything in your life.
True. 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 Very true, bro.
So the next question is parental pressure about career and studies.
Okay, this is, I think it's a very important question in today's world. And parental pressure, I think it's very much common in back in those days when our parents grew up, and still it's been followed right now as well. And we teenagers, many teenagers are facing this problem. So my point of view in this thing is that we must talk with our parents, because we need to understand that what they want at first, and also make them understand that what we want, and at what or at which thing we will stay happy, or what we are
Yes.
doing we will stay happy in future.
So like,
So we need to make them understand.
why are they telling us to do a single thing that we don't want? Basically, what I think is, they don't want our life to be like up and down. They want our life to be smooth.
Exactly,
That's why
exactly,
they
exactly,
tell
exactly.
what they are telling.
Exactly. The thing is that something also matters, that their hopes and their imaginations, what they wanted to be, but they couldn't. So they try to force us to be that, so that they think that we might stay happy being that, but it doesn't work
Yeah,
generally.
yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, this is it.
So the main thing is that we must talk to them. Some
Yes.
parents understands first, like soon, or some parents understands later. So it
Yes, they
depends, but
understand
we
at a
must talk.
later age, but they will
Exactly.
understand.
They
Eventually, they
will
will
understand.
understand.
Exactly,
Yeah,
exactly. Parents are
yeah,
parents after all.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I would be going with my next question, which is finding real friend. Finding a real friend in life,
Finding
which
real
is very
friend.
much important. A true
Yeah,
friend.
this is important. The basic thing is that don't trust people the moment you meet them. Like, yeah, you met a person for like one day or 1 week or maybe 1 month. You know a person for 1 month, but you cannot know a person fully in 1 month. So don't trust a person just after talking with them. First
Exactly.
learn what that person is of what type, then you go and tell you about your life problems and trust that person and all. But the basic thing is, don't trust at the moment you meet a person. And before sharing anything with anyone, think a lot, then share. And I think fake and real friends is like, for finding some good friends, you need to have some lifelong goals, which are same with both of you. Because maybe in a friendship or in a relationship, you can't stay together if both of your goals are not the same, or maybe the lifelong careers are not same, then it's very tough to stay together.
Very true, bro. And also, I think that the what say, the confidence which you have in someone, like in relationship, when we are talking about a relationship, we are always confident about our boyfriend and our girlfriends. So we must not get biased on that confidence. We must
Yes.
be confident with us that whatever happen, and whatsoever reason might be, we must stand along with that decision, or with us. We must not break down. I think that
Yes, yes,
must
yes,
be
yes, yes.
a situation
Yes,
for
this is true. We
everyone.
should stay positive, basically.
Exactly, exactly, exactly,
Yeah,
exactly.
yeah.
My thing is like that.
So this
Uh,
question is off now. Let's go on to the next question. Next
yeah,
thing is like smoking and drinking at teenage. Like we are in college now,
okay.
both of us,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and we see a lot of people when we are in school as well as when we are in college. We see a lot of people going towards smoking and drinking,
Mm-hmm.
and maybe at a point of time we were also there. We were also addicted. But the thing
Exactly.
is, why people are going towards smoking and drinking and why they can't live? What do you think about this?
Uh, but see, smoking and drinking is something which we all have experienced once, and also
Yeah.
many are experiencing, many of our
Yes.
friends.
Yes.
Uh, See, smoking and drinking is related to temporary happiness, I feel. And
Yes. Scientifically
if we
also,
see,
what smoking does is
exactly,
it has nicotine, and scientifically it makes you happy,
exactly,
but for few moments, not for
few
the whole
moments,
life.
not for the whole, exactly, exactly. And also, practically, if you think, you are wasting a lot of money on that thing, right?
Yes,
Because,
yes, yes.
see, as a teenager, we are loving food, right? We are a
Hmm.
foodie, like
Yes.
many of us are foodies. So
Yes.
instead of investing on that thing, that certain kind of thing which is like affecting your body or harming yourself, we must invest on good food. We must enjoy like having some good foods or partying with friends normally, not like that, like having beer, having alcohol and all these things. This
Yeah.
doesn't mean, I guess. So we
Yeah.
must be practical and think what is good for us, and what will give us happiness for long term, not for short term. That I obviously I think. And also, whenever you are doing all these things, just go for some good hobbies you love. Do those things whenever you are feeling to like smoke or drink. Don't
Yes.
just invest your mind on that things. It's
Yeah.
harming
Just
you.
try to divert your mind. That's it.
Exactly, exactly, exactly that. And also
Because
meditation will help you, and
yeah.
exercises would help you obviously if you are following all these things.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. What I feel is like everyone gets addicted, but you can always leave the addiction. It's not
Yeah,
like you have done it so you can't leave that addiction or
exactly,
something like that.
exactly. Because see, Anirban, frankly speaking, we also did, right? So we
Yes.
could live. It's
Yeah,
not
yeah.
that much
That's
of a
nothing
thing.
like you cannot leave or
Yeah,
something, you will
exactly,
die, nothing will happen.
exactly.
Yeah.
So it's pretty much clear, I guess.
Yeah.
And okay, Anirban, I would be asking an important question, which is like very much familiar within us. That is acting
Yeah.
fake in front of people to match with your peers. It's
Yeah, I
also
think
related
I think I
to the
think
previous
the
question you
yeah,
asked
the
someone.
smoking and drinking part is related to this, according to me.
Yeah,
Because
most I guess most.
yeah, because we see how do teenagers move towards smoking and drinking. They
Yeah,
move towards there that they see their seniors or their friends smoking and
exactly.
drinking, and they too think it cool to be doing that, and
True, true.
eventually what happens is they get addicted towards it.
Exactly. And all these social
uh,
media sharings also, this also
Yeah,
happens a
yeah,
lot,
yeah.
like
Like
food
a friend
stuffs.
of mine went to a hookah bar and started posting Instagram stories. Like they went there.
Like
Uh,
so much, it's cool, but means not that much cool to post this, because I
yeah, it's
think such thing is that
you should not compare yourself with others. Just
true.
do what you like and
Exactly,
don't take the
exactly,
bad things from others, according to me.
exactly. Don't share bad stuffs which will
Yeah,
influence to take
yeah.
bad things. That
If
I
you
guess
want to
I feel.
influence someone in a good way instead
Good
of
way,
doing
exactly.
it in a
Take the
bad
good
way.
things. Take the good things.
Yeah,
Exactly,
yeah.
exactly. Very true, very true.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now let's jump to one of the major topics now faced by teenagers.
Okay, okay. What's the topic?
Okay,
Interesting to
yeah.
know.
That's sexual distraction in teenage.
My God.
You have also faced that. I know. I have also faced that. Everyone faces that.
Okay. That's cool. Yeah, it's very natural. I won't tell it in natural or anything. It's very
Yeah.
natural. See, sexual distraction everyone faces in their teenage, and still we are on the verge to end our teenage. We are like we are stepping on 19th soon, very soon.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
we understand that what all we have crossed till this years, so we
yeah,
know everything.
yeah,
See, sexual distraction is not good while you are working, or like on your important whatsoever you are working, whenever you are studying or you are doing any work. It's not
yeah.
good on that time, right? But it comes.
Hmm.
Obviously, it's not natural. It's normal.
Yes,
See,
because your body is going a lot of changes
exactly,
during this
body
time.
goes lots of changes. So I would suggest you, please do meditate at least for 5 minutes. It will really
Yeah,
help you a lot in
yeah.
overcoming these things. And
Hmm.
also sexual distraction, another thing I know, that is we must talk with our parents about all these things. Even our parents
Yes,
also must talk with this
this is a
like
main thing.
exactly,
People don't get to talk here in India. What we
exactly,
see
exactly.
this, people don't get to talk with their parents about these things,
True,
and
very true.
there's a lack of sex education here.
Exactly. Now now we can see this boys' locker room and all these stuffs. Still,
Yeah, that's
we
one.
haven't done all these things back in those days. Still now we don't think of all these things.
Yeah.
But see, all these things are happening due to, like, we can't open up with our close people
Yes,
or close
and and
family
and
members, friends.
and
We can't
according
talk
to
with them.
me, people think that like what they are seeing on internet is everything. There's nothing after
Exactly.
that. But
Exactly.
that's not
Exactly.
the thing, guys.
That's not the thing.
What you see on internet is a part. There's a
Part.
bigger part outside internet also.
Exactly, exactly. And see, these are all pleasures and fantasies, right?
So, what is your take on the FAP and no FAP?
Okay, that's cool. See, this is also a feeling we all feel,
Yeah,
and it's natural, quite natural.
yeah.
And
And I know you are a no
like,
FAP follower.
yeah, yeah. Currently, I started
Yeah,
following NoFap. It's just a few months I have started, and
yeah.
obviously I'm a
I am also a no
teenager.
FAP follower for
Yeah,
last few months.
exactly, exactly. And I think it's really beneficial and it's helping me a lot, because I
No,
have
in
seen
what
days.
kind?
See, I am talking about that. See, I have seen days that when I have masturbated, okay,
Hmm.
and
Okay.
I did my works,
Hmm.
it wasn't that much cool, and I also felt bad, like some mental satisfaction was missing. And
Okay.
after that, I also passed days where, like, I am passing right now, like I am not masturbating and nothing like that,
Oh.
all these stuffs, and I am doing my work and I am feeling very much positive, and I can do all my works with all my attention and nothing,
Yes.
like, how to express this feeling, but it's very much good, like good
Yes, a
vibes.
different energy you get when you don't masturbate
Exactly,
for
exactly.
like
We must
days,
save this
a month.
energy. We must
Yeah,
save
you
this
must save
energy
this
and
energy to use
utilize
it
it
in
in
a
different
positive
ways.
way.
Exactly, exactly, exactly.
Yeah,
Exactly.
like, and what do you think when you are feeling to do it, like getting too much horny? What should you do? You, according to you?
See, horny feeling and all these things. I see, very personal to answer though, but I generally have lot of water, lots of water.
Oh, that's a secret. That's your secret.
I generally have lots of
Uh,
water, and I just listen to some good songs and
Yeah,
overcome
I
that
think
thinking.
according to me, you can listen to some good songs while you are feeling so, or
Yeah,
like
very true, very
meditate for a few minutes. That will help
true,
you a
true,
lot.
true. See, in you know what the thing. See, fap, no fap are just normal words, right? See,
Hmm.
you have to see that whatever stays in your life for lifetime, right? You
Hmm.
have to
Hmm.
invest your energy in something which stays in you for
Yes,
lifetime. It
and
doesn't gets
which
doesn't
you want in
which
your
you
life.
want, which you want. It's
Yes.
like you must follow that thing, which is you. I generally I follow this policy that investment would be for one time, and you will get achievement for lifetime. Means
Yes.
the achievement for lifetime. So I
Yes.
follow
Yes.
these policies. So do those things in your life, make your life that much healthy, that
Yes.
you just invest your energy or invest anything. Like if I am talking about money, invest on those things which you are investing once, but you are enjoying it for lifetime. Like it's not possible for everything, but still maximum of the thing, whatever you are
Yeah.
doing in your
So
life.
basically, no fap is basically tough for first few days or maybe for
First few
first few
days,
months,
exactly.
but eventually you get habituated to it and you move away
Very
from
true.
it, drift away from it. So guys,
And also,
if
I will
you
talk
if
about
you
meditation. Meditation helps a lot in NoFap.
yeah, and if you think you can't do no fap, just try it for 1 week. You will, I can guarantee you, you will see the changes in yourself in just
True.
1 week.
Yeah. Very true. Very true.
So we have pulled this video too long. Maybe people won't watch until this, but if you have watched this, I want to elaborate one last point, that respect each and every one in your life.
Exactly.
Don't
Even the
disrespect
even
anyone.
even the animals around us.
Yeah, like teenage is such a age where we tend to disrespect everyone around us who tries to give us any suggestions, and we think what we are saying is the final word. Nothing is
True.
more than that. But just give it a think. If your parents are telling you something, understand their point of view, what they're saying, think about it, and then think about your point of view, then mix both of them. You will get an answer to everything in your life. And even if you can't take someone's point of view, just don't disrespect them like this. Respect them. In return, what we will get is you will get a lot of love and respect from the other person.
Very true. Very true.
Yeah. So guys, this was it. We took a lot of questions. Now if you have any other question which you want us or me to answer in my channel, do comment your questions. I will try to make some videos or reply to your comments. And if you like this video, do like, share, subscribe, and I will come up with new videos, new types of videos like this. Thank you guys.
Thank you, guys.